Within Polarion, we can search for work items at any point. By navigating on the left-hand menu to our work items screen, within here this gives us our database style table view to view our work items. We can expand the work items navigation menu out and see all the different work item types that we actually have within our project, and we can actually filter down this way as well. So we can actually say select a system requirement and it will filter down within our project anything that is showing as a work item type of system requirement. On top of this basic filtering that we can do on our left-hand navigation pane, we do have our advanced filtering that we can actually create along the top. Within here at the moment, we can see that we're actually searching against unresolved work item types of our system requirement. If I just expand that out to include everything again now, we can add in a new item query by clicking on the plus symbol. Within here, we can search through all the different favorites that we have. So we do have ones of severity, our work item type, our status, so what point it is within its workflow, anything that's assigned to yourself as a user that you're logged in as, anything that's resolved, and so on. We do have the favorite searches. We do also have anything that we've recently used as a user, so we can actually navigate through very quickly to ones that we have used previously. On top of that, we have a search option of all, and this includes all of the different fields that you may have created within this project, so we can see the full list there that are included. So we can search against anything that's at a particular status. So we can see our different statuses that we have here within our project currently. If I reduce this down to in review, we can see that we've got work items that are currently in a status of in review. So we can just build up this query by going along, and of course we can do a free text search within there as well. So I could search against the term dashboard, and we can see there that we're now producing one result because the word dashboard is actually being used within that work item. If we wish to save this query, we can do so, and this is used as a filter. We can see our previous global query filters that we have here and our project level queries that have already been created, and a column for the queries that you may have created yourself and saved so you can reuse again and again and again. We can see here along the top that we have an option to actually save this as our default query that we want to view whenever we look at our work items view, and we can of course then save our current query as well. So I'll do this now. And I'll create this as a user query that I will have. That's now saved as a filter. Very, very quick and easy to do that there. And we can now see under my queries that I have one created of in review work items. So I can see there, I can click on that and view the query that we have for this. If I just clear out the keyword search that I'd also done there, we can see our full list of our work items that are currently at the status of in review. Polarion does also give you additional options that you can actually do here. You can change the headings that are actually used within our table, so we can actually change this to display however we want with the different options that we have here. And we can also filter it to show us now a tree view of our work items, so we can actually see anything that's linked together with a parent and child relationship that's shown here. So we can see our our car should have a 5-spoke option. Wheels should be various colors. We can see that's a child requirement of our parent one here. So we can see that relationships between our work items there as well. We also then have different views available. So we do have matrix views available, timesheet views available, life plan views available that are all selectable within this view here. So Polarion does allow you to have various different views that will suit you as a user for the purpose of what you're working with at that point in time.